How to change your mindset to be more productive. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals to give yourself direction and purpose. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps to make progress more attainable. Develop a positive attitude. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on your strengths and achievements. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations and surround yourself with supportive, positive influences. Prioritize and plan. Use tools like to-do lists, planners, or digital apps to prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. Focus on completing high-priority tasks first and avoid multitasking, which can decrease efficiency. Practice self-discipline. Build self-discipline by setting routines and sticking to them. Avoid procrastination by setting deadlines and holding yourself accountable for meeting them. Learn to say no. Recognize your limits and don't overcommit. Saying no to additional tasks or distractions helps you focus on what's truly important. Seek continuous improvement. Embrace a growth mindset by being open to learning and self-improvement. Reflect on your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay healthy. Maintain a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep. A healthy body supports a productive mind. Remember, by implementing these strategies, you can shift your mindset towards greater productivity and achieve more in your personal and professional life. If this helps you, please subscribe.